Hi, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at a 2019 Chevy Trax. I'm here to go over some of the great incentives we have available on this model till the end of this month. We're looking at an LT Trax. This one is equipped with all-wheel drive and has the 1.4 liter four-cylinder engine. Until the end of this month, we have got 0% financing available on the Chevy Trax for up to 72 months, along with a $750 down payment assistance when financed through GM Financial. Or you have the option to forego the financing special and take advantage of $4,250 in cashback rebates, along with an additional $750 rebates if financed through GM Financial, meaning you can save up to $5,000 off the price of this Chevy Trax. This is the LT model, which is the middle of the road package. We can look at the interior and see what we have to offer here. This is going to be your no frills package. It'll have everything you need and nothing that you don't. And you do have the option to add in certain hand-picked features if you so choose. If there are any questions about the Chevy Trax or any other vehicle incentives or specs that you have questions about, we'd love to help you out. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with our sales department at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. And you can also check us out online at applechevy.com, where we have all of our new and pre-owned inventory listed. Thank you very much.